Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, welcome to lesson 11. Inshallah, also today we are still continuing with joining the Arabic letters or the letters which don't join. Remember, we said the letters which join, we call them connectors, and the ones which don't join, we call them non-connectors. So for instance, if we look at the first line here, all these are connectors. Look at the second line as well. All these are connectors because they can connect to each other. Okay, look, all these, they're connected to each other. And the second one as well, they are connected to each other. And if you look at this third line, we have a bunch of connectors and non-connectors. Look, for instance, the first one here is these are connectors, but this one we have connectors and non-connectors together. Okay, as well as the fourth line here. Okay, we have some connectors and non-connectors, some connectors and non-connector, connectors, non-connector, non-connectors, non-connector, non-connector, connector, 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 connector. So inshallah, let's dive into them and go through them one line by one line. Okay, look at the first one here. So we have ba, ba, ba. Okay, these are all connectors. Ta, ta, ta. Do not forget, for each one of these ones, they have a small ridge. Okay, before you write them, there's a small ridge, then ba. Small ridge, ba. Small ridge, two dots, ta. One ridge, two dots, as well as the rest of this one. Look at jim, ha, and kha. Okay, three jims, three has, and three khas. Okay, jim, remember the dots had, they don't have any dot, but kha, they have one dot above them. Okay, look at the pattern, how they change, the shape and the pattern, how they change. So you have to be vigilant on looking for these ones. Then we have sin. Look at sin. Okay, sin is very easy. Look the way they look like, three ridges. Okay, shin, the same way. Just don't forget the three dots on top. Remember, we said shin has three ridges, 1, 2, 3, but tha only has one dot. Look at tha here, one dot, one ridge and three dots above. Here, three ridges and three dots. Sorry. Then we have sod. Remember sod, we said when you write sod, we must have a small ridge before you start another letter. Okay, look at sod again, sod and a small ridge, then another letter starts. Okay, so, and not one thing, we don't have this kind of word in Arabic. We do not have this kind of word. Okay, this is just a possibility of showing you how the connectors connect with each other. Okay, let's go to the second line. So we have bod here. We have bod, look at bod, okay, and a small ridge. Bod, small ridge. Bod and a small ridge. Okay, do not forget about this small ridge. If your sod or bod, they don't have this small ridge, that one, your sod is not a complete sod or bod. Okay, they must have this small ridge. Let's go to ta. Look at ta, 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 va. Okay, these are easy to grasp. Okay, look at ain, how it changes its shape. Okay, look at ain and ghain. Look at fa, it looks like a ribbon, as we said before. And qaf, the same way. Okay, look at kaf, how it looks like. Look at kaf, and look at lam. Okay, lam, lam, and look at mim. Maybe looks like a belt, we can say a belt. Okay, when you have like a circle here and two belt on the side. Then noon, look at noon, one ridge, one dot above, one ridge, one dot, one ridge, one dot. But ba, one ridge, one dot below. For noon, the dot is above. For ba, the dot is below. Do not forget about that one. Also for ta, do not forget about ta. Ta has one ridge, two dots above. And ya has one ridge, two dots below. Okay, please do not forget about that one. Look at ha at the end. This is how it looks like. Also as well, please do not forget, we don't have this kind of a word in Arabic. There's no such kind of a word in Arabic. This is just a possibility of showing you how these letters join with each other. Let's go to the third line. This is ha in the beginning. These are has in the middle. Okay, look how they look when you're writing them in the middle. This is ya. Okay, ya and ya at the end. Okay, remember, ya has one ridge, two dots below. One ridge, two dots below. Okay, Now let's go to these ones, which are connectors and non-connectors. Okay, so we have the first one, which is ba, which is a connector. When you join ba and alif, you see it's easy to join them. Okay, you can join ba and alif, but you cannot do the vice versa. You cannot join alif and ba. Look at ta and dal. Okay, this is not lam, this is dal. Look at lam. Lam is too long. If you look here, lam is too long, but dal is just maybe half of it. We can put it like that, half of it. So ta and dal, we can join ta and dal, but we cannot join dal and ta, because dal is an unconnector. It only joins from this side, but after it you cannot join it. Then we have tha and dhal. Tha and dhal. Look at tha. We can join tha and dhal. We can join these two together, but we cannot join dhal and tha, because dhal is an unconnector. It only connects from one side. Okay, you can only join tha and dhal, but you can never join dhal and tha. Impossible. Then we have jim and ra. Look at jim and ra. You can join these two together. Okay, when you start with jim, you can join it with ra. But for instance, if we had ra in the beginning, then jim, that will be impossible to join those two together. Okay, so ra, remember, it's an unconnector. It only connects from one side. Okay, let's go to ha. Look at ha. Okay, ha also, we can join it from one side. Okay, we can join ha and za together, but we cannot join za and ha, because za is an unconnector. It only connects from this side. Okay, from its right side, but from its left side we cannot join them. We cannot join it. Look at ha and wow. We can join ha and wow, but we cannot join wow and ha. Remember that ha is a connector. It can connect with wow, but wow is a non-connector. It cannot join with ha. Remember that. Then look at this word here. We have a connector, a non-connector, a connector, and connector. So you see, wow is a non-connector. It only connects from one side, this side, but we cannot connect it with ba or join it with ba. Okay, please understand that. So we have a connector, non-connector, a connector, and a connector. Please be vigilant on this. Let's go to the next one. Look here, we have sin, alif, then sin and alif. Okay, look here, alif cannot join with sin. Remember, we said alif also is a non-connector. Okay, so you cannot join alif and sin. If you join alif and sin, it will be like lam. Somebody might think this is lam, but this is alif. Okay, so we have two connectors, an unconnector, a connector, and a non-connector. Okay, so please look at these ones. They're very, very easy. Now let's go to the last line here. So we have fa and fa, qaf and qaf, ain and ain, ghain and ghain, mim and mim. Then lastly we have here waw. Okay, all these are connectors. Now you have to look at this carefully. Look at how fa looks like, qaf looks like, qaf looks like. Look at ain. Okay, look at ain. It looks like a mushroom. Okay, look at that. Then we have a mim. Look at mim. It looks like a belt. Okay, it looks like a belt. Okay, then we have a non-connector at the end. So this non-connector only joins from this side, coming from the right to here, but beyond the wow, you cannot join it with any other letter, either a connector or a non-connector. You cannot join with it. Then we have ba, ta, tha, and ra. Look, all these are connectors except the ra. Ra is a non-connector. It only connects on one side, from this side, but beyond it you cannot connect it with another letter. Remember that. Why am I repeating this? Please know that I'm repeating this because this is a common mistake with beginners. They don't understand how Arabic words look like, okay, when they're joined together and when they're separate. And whenever they write them, you'll see them joining ra with another letter. You can never join ra with another letter. Okay, let's go to this other one. Look at Sad. Remember the small ridge on Sad. Look again on this another Sad. It has a small ridge. Look at Sad, a small ridge. So I did this purposefully because I want us to grasp this one. Okay, this small ridge after the Sad, as well as after the Bod, we have the Bod, then small ridge. Bod, then small ridge. Bod, then small ridge. look at the end here. We have za. Okay, za is an unconnector which joins from one side, so you can see it's joining with this one. But za and waw can never join. These are an unconnector. You cannot join za and waw. Neither can you join waw and alif. Look, you cannot join waw and alif, or alif and alif, or alif and kaf. Okay, so all this will be in their initial state. Okay, then let's go to kaf. Look, kaf and kaf can join. Lam and lam can join. Look how they look like. So inshallah, please, if you've not understood the lesson, watch it again. Okay, watch it again, as well as all the other lessons. Please, if you've not understood any lesson, watch it again until you are comfortable. Okay, inshallah, if you have any question, let us know. If you have any topic which you have a concern with, please let us know. We'll go through it. Inshallah, ma'asalama. See you in the next lesson. Please subscribe, share, and like.